Hey everyone, Dr. Konrad Sarosiek here at Cool Springs Plastic Surgery. Today's topic is going to be facelifts. We're going to be asking ourselves, are all facelifts the same? And the answer is no. Everyone's face is different, and while for some individuals, doing a simple facelift skin tightening procedure is the right answer, it's not the right answer for everyone. Here's a beautiful patient. This young lady is 70 years old. She came to see us with some facial concerns. She didn't like how her face had aged. She developed a lot of volume loss in her cheeks. She had a lot of loose skin around the jowls, around her neck, and she had a lot of fine lines all around her face, especially in the areas up here around her forehead, around her lower eyelids, and around the area of her mouth. She wanted us to address all of those things, not just the skin. And we created this custom-made program for her, where we did a facelift with facial fat grafting, where we took fat from her belly and injected that fat around her face. And then we resurfaced her face with a very advanced laser to help remove some of the fine lines. So let's take a look at how she looks in the after. So here's that patient, again, 70 years old, after all three of those procedures were all performed. So she had a facelift to help address some of the skin laxity that she had. Then we added volume to her face by putting fat in her cheeks here, along her jawline, in the nasolabial folds along her mouth, down below her mouth, and even into her lips. And then lastly, we resurfaced her face with a very advanced laser, and that helped to address some of the fine lines around her mouth and underneath of her eyes and on her forehead. And let's take a look at those areas up close. Here are her eyes. You can see all the fine lines, all the wrinkling around her eyes. Doing a facelift does not address the eyes specifically. So by using the laser to resurface that area, here's what her eyes looks like now. It's a dramatic improvement without the need for a potential blepharoplasty, which she did not need. So that shows you around the eyes. Let's look at her mouth. Typically for many women who either drink through straws or have a lot of sun damage, they develop a lot of fine lines around their mouth. And that can be something that's very difficult to treat, not with a laser. So we took a TRL erbium laser and resurfaced the whole area around her mouth. And here's what her mouth looks like now. One laser treatment. Pretty amazing results. She is now super happy and enjoying her life. And we hope that this video today helped you guys figure out that not all facelifts are the same. Sometimes combining facelifts with other procedures like facial fat grafting or laser resurfacing can truly help make that result look even better. Thanks so much for watching. Hope to see you someday.